Hello, hi, good afternoon. Today I want to talk about what is there in my bag. I see that a lot of women keep unboxing every day. Good for you. And here I want to share what's in my Birkin bag. Here is one of my favorite size bag. It's Birkin 35. I love big bag because I can fit many things in it, and this particular color, Vert Veroni, is no longer in production, and it is in matte process, in which that the longer I keep it, the more I use it, the shinier it gets. So this probably around, I don't know, maybe 10 years old back. Yeah, it looks still looks great. So what is it in my bag? What do I keep in my bag? Let's see. Okay, here I have my book and my notebook and another notebook. And I have here with me the paste, Rasa Rose Ratu Tumis. So one has to be ready if, for sampling and whatnot. And sometimes I just give this for free for our future partners. And yeah, this is guys. And I have one phone with me and two phone with me, and the third one is I'm holding it, and my wallet and the charger for the iPad. This is the wallet for the device banking, in case I have to prove payment on the go. And well, coronavirus, sanitize yourself. And last but not least, this book. I've not finished this book. So I have a small wallet for, all the devices that I needed for my corporate banking. Really, I think it is impossible for me to have the small bag. And when Hermes come out with a size 20 and 25, and it gets smaller and smaller, really, I think, I cannot, and I don't see myself carrying those bags. However, if I do, that means that somebody else is holding all these necessities for me. So till then, leaving to the office now. Bye bye. I think I still look good, but I love this mirror. It makes me look so slim, as if that I was still single and never had babies.